Are you ready for the it cake? I sure am. I'm super excited about this it cake because Halloween's my thing. I love Halloween more than anything. It's my favorite time of year. I love everything about it. And now I get to do an it cake. So Pennywise is going to be immortalized in cake. Okay, so I have a photo of Pennywise here. So I'm going to just pull a piece out. So we'll get the shoulder. I've already cut the cake in half. And his ruffle. And his crazy clown hair. Now with this piece, guess what I'm gonna make? Yeah, the balloon. So I'm just gonna freehand it. This is going to be a lemon strawberry cake. So I'm going to make the strawberry, because I won't be able to show it to you obviously because it's for a client, but I'm going to make the strawberry really oozy, so it's kind of gory when they cut into it. And I make everything from scratch, so I just take fresh strawberries and make a lovely compote. That's that there. So yeah, just strawberries, a little bit of maple syrup so it's not too sweet. And there's our balloon. Okay, so it's chilled for a little bit, and now I've made some cake pop mixture with the cake, because what I want to do is raise his face up so that it gives it a little bit of dimension. So I've drawn the basic outline of his face so that we can get the cake pop material kind of above and sculpted. By the way, I wash my hands 1,000 times when I'm doing this. I just find that with gloves, I just can't get the detail that I want. Like that, I need to feel it. I need to feel it. But yes, it's very hygienic. I definitely wash my hands many, 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 many times after absolutely everything I do, which is why they're all red. But I use some really good cream. Make them nice and soft. Okay, so we want to build up his massive forehead, obviously. Okay, now we're going to get to the facial features. I'm looking at the picture as I am doing this. So I want to get those high cheekbones with that. And then because it's just below his ears, which are there. So we just need to puff those up a bit. Now I can take some away For his eyes, they need to go a little bit lower because they're a little bit more evil. Hee hee hee. Okay. There's his cheekbones. So then when I cover this with buttercream, it'll be nice and smooth. And then we can add more detail and make it more three-dimensional. So his furrowed brow. So, oh yeah. So when we put the buttercream on top, it's giving it a nice form because it'll be nice and smooth. And then when I put the fondant on top, it'll have a perfect look. Okay, we'll put his little lip there. So what I'll do is I'll cover this in buttercream, and then I will chill it so that's nice and firm. And then we will start with some more fun bits. Okay, so I'm putting the hair on and I'm using an extruder, and I've kind of blended the colors so that we can get the most accurate color of hair. Now, this is a little bit extra, and I mean extra as in maybe you don't need to do the extruder. You could just use like fondant like this and multicolor it, like blend it together so you get the different hues and shapes and stuff. But I really wanted it to look, whoops, sorry. I really wanted it to look as authentic as possible. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I've rolled out some kind of beige fondant, and I want to make his puffy sleeve. So I'm looking at the photo and it's going to start about here, but what I want to do is not just put it down flat. I want to keep gathering it so that we get the puffy sleeve. So you got to work quickly, obviously, because the fondant, as you can see, will tear, which is annoying, but we can go back and fix that. We've got another puff here, another puff there. I'm gonna have to cover this guy. Okay, so let's see if we can take this piece and put it over top of this piece, because we can ruffle this. We'll get a clean edge and a clean edge. Let's see if we can continue the ruffle. There we go. Just make a little fold, make sure it covers all the rest there, and then we work that into a fold there. And we have a poofy sleeve. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I am making his clown ruffles. So I'm just using my ball tool just to thin out the edges and get a little bit of a ruffle. And then I'm just trimming it down so it's not too crazy thick. Okay, so I'm mixing my tints, but I'm going to darken this red to make it look more creepy with my vodka. you know, gotta have a theme for everything. I love, love, love Halloween, if I haven't mentioned that. So most of my things have got a little bit of a Halloween slant. So here we go. Okay, so I finished up his eyes. I think they're a little close together, and I'm just trying to spread them apart a bit. But, you know, that's the thing when you're hand doing it. Takes a little bit of practice, which I still need, but it's pretty darn good. And now for the piece de resistance, the balloon. Cannot have this without a balloon. And then I'm just gonna make a little cord and we are done. Stay safe. Happy Halloween. Okay. He is done and he's creepy. Funny that the birthday girl's name is Hope. Hee hee. There's no hope when Pennywise is around. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something. I hope it creeped you out. And I hope you will see me next time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.